Ever wondered why avocados are all the rage these days? They've quietly claimed their spot in our kitchens, on our plates, and even in our beauty routines. With a unique creamy texture and a subtle nutty flavor, avocados have become a staple in cuisines around the world. But what exactly makes this humble fruit so special? Why has it captured the hearts, or rather the palates of millions? Stay tuned as we peel back the layers of this creamy superfood. Before we dive into the benefits, let's trace back to where it all began. Avocados, or aguacatl as the Aztecs called them, originated in south-central Mexico around 7,000 years ago. This buttery fruit then journeyed across the globe, conquering the hearts of food lovers everywhere. From being a staple in Aztec diets to becoming the star of modern-day brunches, the avocado's versatility has made it a kitchen essential. From ancient times to modern kitchens, avocados have come a long way. Now that we know a bit about their history, it's time to reveal why avocados are so loved. Firstly, these green gems are incredibly nutritious. They are a treasure trove of goodness, packed with not one, not two, but 20 different vitamins and minerals. From vitamin K to vitamin C, avocados have it all. Secondly, avocados are a potassium powerhouse. Yes, you heard it right. When it comes to potassium, avocados give bananas a run for their money, boasting a higher potassium content. This unsung hero of the fruit world is helping to keep our heart rate steady and our muscles working properly. Thirdly, avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids. These are the good fats, the ones that help to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. So next time you're spreading that avocado on your toast, remember, it's doing your heart a world of good. Fourthly, avocados are full of fiber. This aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight and lowers the risk of many diseases. It's a win-win situation for your body. And finally, avocados aren't just good for you on their own. They also help your body absorb nutrients from other foods. So adding a few slices of avocado to your salad not only makes it tastier, but also more nutritious. No wonder avocados are considered a superfood. So there you have it, the humble avocado, a powerhouse of nutrition. This unsung superfood, steeped in history, is not just delicious, but also packed with incredible health benefits. Remember those 5 fascinating facts? From boosting heart health to aiding in weight management, the mighty avocado is truly a gem of nature. As we wrap up, let's appreciate this green, creamy delight for what it truly is, a treasure trove of goodness. Are you ready to add more avocados into your diet now? Thank you for joining us on this avocado journey. We hope you found our facts as fascinating as we do. If you haven't already, give avocados a try. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep exploring the world of superfoods.